In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your device and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is open a design. This can be a brand new design or an existing project you've already been working on. If you're creating something from scratch, just choose the format that fits your project, like a presentation, social media post, or video canvas. If you already have a design ready, simply open it so you can add your video directly into that workspace. After your design is open, look over to the side panel and find the Upload section. This is where Canva lets you bring in your own media files, including videos, images, and audio. Click on Uploads to open that area. If this is your first time using it, don't worry, it's very straightforward and designed to make importing files quick and easy. Once you're in the Upload section, the next step is to browse for the video you want to upload. Click the option to upload files, and this will open the file browser on your computer or device. From there, locate the video you want to use. It's a good idea to make sure you're selecting the correct file before confirming, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same folder. After you choose the video, Canva will begin uploading it automatically. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, the upload may take a few moments. During this time, just wait for the process to finish completely so the video becomes available inside your Uploads library. Once it appears there, you'll know it's ready to use in your design. A helpful tip here is to keep your video file organized and easy to find before you start, since that can save time during the upload process. It also helps to use a video file that's already trimmed or prepared if you know exactly what clip you want to add to your project. And that's it. You've opened Canva, opened your design, gone to the Upload section, and browsed for the video you want to upload. From there, your video will be ready to place into your design and continue editing as needed.